Hi YouTube, M6CB back again with another video. Today I wanted to do a full review on the Radioddity GD-73. Now this is a new radio that's just not been out long, and it's perfect for use with a hotspot. So if you've got a hotspot and you're looking for a really inexpensive DMR radio to get you into DMR, then look no further. This radio is £60. It's absolutely amazing. I'll leave a link in the description where you can buy it. I've also done a full written review with loads of detailed pictures of the radio, so check the link in the description for that as well. So yeah, hopefully you enjoy the video and you find it useful. So without further ado, let's begin. So let's have a quick look at the Radioddity GD-73. So first of all, let's have a look what you get in the box. FC approved and CE approved, so that's really good. This is a UHF only radio, so if you're using a hotspot, this is absolutely perfect for use with a hotspot. But we'll go over that in a minute. So in the box you get a warranty card. So this has got 1 year 6 months warranty. Now that's probably one of the best I've ever seen, so that's a really fantastic warranty, so well done Radioddity for that. We've got a manual. Now this is the best manual I've ever read that's from a Chinese manufacturer. A really well written manual is that, so really well done to Radioddity for that. In the box we also get a earpiece with a PTT switch on it, so that's really good. I've got the UK adapter they provided, and this is the charging port. So this is basically this radio's trump card, is that you can charge it with a micro USB port, so you don't need to have a special charging dock. As long as you've got a micro USB phone charger, you can charge this radio, so that's amazing. And obviously a belt clip that I haven't used. So I'll just put these bits and pieces away and keep them nice and safe. So let's have a quick look around the radio now. Now if you ever saw my video on the Hytera PD365, which is a very expensive radio, and I didn't like that very much at all. You didn't get free software with that or anything. This you get free software, you get the programming cable that doubles up as a charge cable, so it's absolutely fantastic. So that's a good start from Radioddity. It's a really nice design, really simple. Inbuilt UHF antenna, so this is not detachable, it's part of the radio. Nice display and sort of no frills. Another massive bonus point with this radio is it's £60. I'll leave a link in the description where you can buy this radio, but £60 is an absolute bargain for what you get on this. On the on the left hand side here we have a PTT switch. Really nice plastic button there, but really nice to press. We have a light symbol there because this has also got a torch in it. Fantastic. We'll have a look at that in a second. And we have an earpiece at the top, so you can plug in what we just saw then in the box, and that comes with it. You have a volume up and down, and you have your power button on there. The battery for this radio is a 2600 milliamp hour battery. Now this radio is fantastic. It'll do, I think it does 2 watts high power and 500 milliwatts low power, so this is perfect for use with a hotspot. I've used it with my hotspot that's downstairs, and I get good error rates. Really, it can be tuned a little bit better. So obviously it's not the most ideal antenna system, you know, when you compare it to something like the A-Links HD1. Obviously that antenna is not as good as the HD1, but it's so portable, it's so small. Dimensions of this radio are 4.5 inches by 2 inches by 1.3 inches, so very portable. And then there's the charge port for your USB micro USB charge port there. So let's turn the radio on, see what it's like, and you can see my name and call signs come up there. I've programmed it with a few of my most used talk groups, like the Parrot, Will Y91, talk group 2350, just to sort of test it. We're on the Parrot now, so let's just give it a bit of a Parrot test. This is Mike 6 Charlie Echo Bravo M6CEB testing on the Parrot.
Mike 6 Charlie Echo Bravo M6CEB testing on the Parrot.
So really good. Now that hotspot is downstairs, so it's gone through all the walls, the floor and everything, and it's doing really well. And that was on low power, as you can see on the display. Really good. The speaker on this is really loud as well, so it's perfect, you know, if you're putting it in your pocket or something. That's absolutely fantastic. Another thing, this radio has only been out very short amount of time, and there's already been 2 firmware updates, so this is running the latest firmware. As I say, it's a new radio, they've already updated the firmware twice, so really good. One downside to this radio is a lot of DMR radios you can import a contact database, so you can have their names and location come up on the display. Unfortunately with this one there is no way of doing that. You can obviously store your talk groups in there, that's not a problem at all, but as far as the contacts list, you can't do that with this radio. But this radio is £60, which is absolutely a bargain for what you're getting. You know, it's a fantastic deal. I'll leave a link in the description where you can buy it. There is also a full written review with loads of detailed pictures on my website. I'll leave a link in the description, so check that out and have a good read of that. To have a quick look at the menus, we've got messages, inbox, outbox, standard sort of DMR stuff. Contacts, these are all my talk groups that I've programmed in, so those are there. Call log, settings, you can change your power settings, 2 powers, high and low, 2 and 500 milliwatts. Your zones, you can have obviously multiple zones. I just have mine as a hotspot. And there you go, your date and time. Your tones, you can turn all the keypad tones on and off. So really good. Hotkeys, obviously you can program this P1 and P2 to key. And I don't know if I mentioned that the software is absolutely free, so you just download it from the Radioddity website, and the charging cable doubles as the programming cable, so really good. So yeah, really happy with this. Really good radio. So if you're looking at buying one, there's a look at the torch. There's the torch for it. Really good torch. So if you're looking at buying a DMR radio and you don't want to spend a lot of money, and you've got a hotspot and that's your primary use for this radio, then I'd go straight ahead and purchase this. This is a fantastic little radio. So thank you very much for watching. I really appreciate you watching the video. Hopefully you found it useful and you like what you see. I've been using the radio now for a good week or 2, and I think it's fantastic. For the money it costs, it's absolutely brilliant. Yes, it doesn't have the contact database on the radio, but that's just about its only negative really. And the price, you can't really get a cheaper DMR radio really. So yeah, really well done. It seems to be quite well built, and I'm quite impressed. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe. Don't forget to put the bell notification on so you don't miss anything when I next upload. And I've been M6EB. You've been very kind to watch. 73.